Hi guys, it's in the middle of the night and I cannot sleep, so I decided to record my very first YouTube video in the middle of the night. I hope you guys are cozy and warm in your beds right now. If not, then welcome to the club. Now to this bag. This is one of about 6 or 7, maybe 8 bags of products that I got of Amazon Vine program within the last 12 months. And I'm gonna go through the items quickly because there are quite a few. I will not do an unboxing. I will just hold it quickly in the camera. Sometimes the product itself, sometimes the box with the product inside. I will try to get through this bag as quickly as possible, and if you guys keep count, hold on to the number, it will become more important later. Indestructible dog toy. Car pouch. Car pouch with sticky surface. Derma roller. Travel adapters for India. Duvet clips to keep blankets together. Headset, open ear, and I have 2 of them, and they count individual if you keep track of the number. Dog harness. USB switch. Meat thermometer. Magnetic wallet. Hand LED lamp. $65 charger. Microphone for the top of the monitor. Shaver. Soap dispenser. dog bed. Bra straps in green, black, white, beige, and pink. They count individually. Charging station for iPhone. Dog shoes. Phone cases, count individually. Toilet brush, not used, I promise. Pants, fidgety toys, count as one. Keyring. Sorry that we got interrupted. We stopped at this little keychain with a small salamander and the imprint "You are one in chameleon." Count as one. USB-C magnetic adapter. Magnetic phone ring. USB-C 4K mini dock. Shoe spanners. Filters for a cleaning robot. Additional accessories for the cleaning robot. This filters is one, this is second, and this is number 3. The twisty thing for the cleaning robot. And now the cleaning robot itself. No, this is a travel case for a thermal mug for a Stanley cup with a telephone pouch and a strap for the shoulder. And now the actual cleaning robot. Great, let me quickly explain what happened in the last 12 months. I accidentally saw an email from Amazon, and I have hundreds of them because Amazon sends me emails for every single order that I submit. I get 2 or 3 emails. Order received, item dispatched, item delivered. And then there was one extra mail in between where it was more of a promotional email, and it was talking about the Amazon Vine program, and I didn't know what that was. So I researched, and I was a little bit skeptical because it was an old email and I'm not sure how long the invitation was standing, how long it will stay open for me to actually join. Nonetheless, I was lucky and the invitation was still active. I logged into the Amazon Vine and I started on the silver level. There are 2 levels to the Amazon Vine program. Silver level is the beginner level, so to say, where you can order 3 items per day for free, and each item can maximum be of 85 euros or 89 euros or something like this of worth. So you will not get a cleaning robot like this offered on a silver program. However, after 6 months, you're going to be evaluated. And if you wrote to all the products that you ordered reviews, or to majority of them, 90%, if you ordered a certain amount of items, I believe that's 100, and if your reviews are useful, then you're going to be bumped up to the gold level. And in the gold level, you can order 8 items a day. Value per item is unlimited. And this is where I discovered this cleaning robot. And honestly, I would not have seen it if I wasn't unemployed at that moment. Because I was between jobs, I'm still between jobs, so please help me grow this channel. Please let me change my careers and support me when you can. Anyway, because I was between jobs, I was looking and checking Amazon Vine for sure 4, 5, 6 times a day, and it's a little bit clunky. You cannot search on it. There are just categories. Hey guys, again a quick interruption. Anyway, I wanted to say, hopefully you guys can now find some sleep if you weren't already sleeping, and I see you next time. Bye bye.